say half of these people over there? Because we could go all the way around.
Oh, that's right. Should probably turn my shit.
Tell us say 1, 2, 3, I'm here.
Okay. Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Are you just empty?
Yeah, I have no BBs. I have more gas than BBs.
Alright.
You need some BBs?
Hmm?
You need some BBs?
Okay.
No, it's fine. I'm not going to use my pistol.
What's that, Glock?
I'm
Yeah.
just going to take a wild guess and say he's in that trailer.
Yes.
I was going to say, it will make my day if you guys take the wide way around. That's what I was going to do. Just go race them.
You gotcha. So, ref, this log right here, right?
Okay,
Yeah, this thing. This is
should I or should I not play full auto?
Just when we get up on it, start full autoing, and then when you go into it, go semi.
Yeah, you're a sniper.
There, okay, you got one guy keeps poking sound, he's gonna...
That guy's going to shoot us. Let's take wide.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, the ground cover's still on!
Where's their respawn at? Contact car. Oh. Wait, I'm medic. I shouldn't be in the front. I just realized. Oh wait, no, never mind.
Anyone shoot down?
No, because then they'll have high ground.
That's probably thing you go down there.
Then they'd have high ground there.
Well, we have a lot of brook side behind us, and we can get right up on them.
True. I mean, I'm down
Half
there.
of these kids are going to call their head if we can shoot down.
Yeah. Anyone?
Especially if they're senior.
Oh, we're gonna
Did the guy behind the car die?
I don't know. I don't think so. I never shot at him.
Oh, yeah, he's wearing blue.
Alright.
You guys want to move around?
We should. We're gonna. I think we should.
Down. Are we going?
Yeah, you want to?
Or we could just push them. Wait.
Yeah, I mean, dude, I don't really care. I'll go fuck a full auto. We can.
There's no way he's not hit.
I thought I shot him the first time when I saw him. He's behind the car. Oh, he died?
Watch car. Wait, you please.
No, watch car. He has a blue shirt on.
Guy behind car.
Want to go nigga shoot me?
No. Okay, you're good. It is 10, right?
Hey! Medic!
Where did you get hit from? Okay. I'm medic. Come over.
Move it!
There's a Robin there probably.
Anybody watch him up? Hey, guy, how far you know? I got him.
Which window?
There was a guy to the right in the corner, close to the right.
Oh, really? In the door. They're gonna get fucked, dude. Loading. I'm up. Okay, one guy's down. Okay. Come out. Probably behind us. Yeah, yeah. You can.
I don't see any movement.
Just keep him suppressed. Yeah, someone's in that right side somewhere. I saw his gun earlier.
Nice, nice.
Who was that?
We got some guys on the left. Oh shit.
Where'd that come from? Yeah, come out, come out. Come out.
Just move up.
Hey, Stuart. Come on. Clear, clear, clear. That's alright, dude. That's alright.
Sorry.
I had to be spontaneous and sexy.
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this guy's gun. Because he left it after.
Yeah. Friendly! Friendly. We got dead guys coming out. Is this clear? Clear? Alright, well, I'm gonna go in. I had first shot though. What?
You hit? Not hit. Alright, come on. I'm in the leg.
Hey, dude.
Head!
Occupy the.
Preaching clear, preaching clear.
Rob, I knew you were in there. I could tell.
Let's go.
Hey, you
All
can
right.
shoot me.
What's up?
Run.
Wait, is it aren't things back there? So what the escort back there?
You have to escort him back to that corner over there.
Oh wait, they're watching.
What, Owen?
There's no one over here fucking getting me.
I'm coming. Hold on. People try to bang and I shot him for.
I only fucking said that like 20 times.
Is that what's that right there?
Where?
Left. In between the. What
I
team?
don't know.
Oh, same team?
That's their spawn, that's their spawn.
No, this guy.
That's game! That's game, Airsoft!